Hey guys, you're here for another installment from Force 15. This is update 2 on Cyclone Roanu as of 2100 local time, 1600 UTC on the 20th of May 2016. Storm's location at 18.9 degrees north, 87.0 degrees east with winds of 60 miles per hour, making it a tropical storm on the Saffir-Simpson scale, and a pressure of 985 millibars moving northeast at 12 miles an hour. So, the storm is a bit of an interesting one, surrounded by shear at the moment. I don't know how really it broke through the wind shear and developed. I had a update as well before, though it hadn't actually been named as Roanu, but under my own estimations I had made that advisory. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for pretty much the whole of the Bangladeshi coast, sort of around that area, around Burma, Burmese as well. There are tropical storm warnings in effect from Force 15, so you guys should be a bit extra vigilant whilst out and about in that areas, because you could have debris flying around and other things like that. But again, as well, stay safe in the system if you're living in the area of Roanu, but at least it's not a Category 5. So, storm's looking set possibly for a Burmese landfall, or possibly a border region between Bangladesh and Burma. We're possibly looking at a landfall there. Possibly as a tropical storm, or a very weak tropical storm, or a tropical depression. But we'll have to see how that plays out. So here you guys can see the satellite imagery. This is the visible imagery. You see the storm's half over land at the moment, which is hampering development slightly. Though the centre of the system still remains offshore at this present time. It's already affecting Bangladesh and Burma. Here's the rainbow imagery. Cloud tops are cooling, but quite an exposed core there. It's quite jagged and unorganised there. It's more of a monsoonal trough there. And here's the Dvorak imagery. Only probably about T3. It looks like there possibly is as well 2 centres of circulation at the moment, from the looks of that. So they might merge, but we don't know. And here you guys can see the AVN imagery. Storm's looking, again, it's not looking that favourable. I would say it's bordering on extratropical now. And again here as well, I can see the 2 more cores of the system, if I'm honest. The left slightly more stronger than the right. But it still looks very jagged and very, very unorganised. Here's the RB top imagery. Storms looks quite intense on that imagery, but the storm is just not organised. So I've seen worse looking Category 1 storms, if I'm honest. Water vapour imagery. Water vapour is not a problem for the system. It's more land interaction and surrounding wind shear. That'll be the main problem for this system. Here you guys can see the CSEF's temperatures. CSEF's temperature is not a problem for the storm at the moment. Very favourable temperatures, around about 30 degrees Celsius. And it's all plain sailing in the sense of CSEF's temperatures. You just see off to the right there, I believe there's a developing depression there, but near a small island there off China, but it looks as though CSF's temperature's down a bit. Here's the forecast map again, and it's looking for more of a sort of Burmese landfall, or possibly a sort of borderline between Bangladesh and Burma, looking for a landfall there. But yes. So it's a developing story here. I don't think it will develop into a Category 1, if I'm honest. Here is the wind shear map now. It's surrounded by shear. I don't know how it got through. I just can't see. I can't I can't actually see how that system got through without being more or less torn apart. It did struggle developing, but if I'm honest, it should have been torn apart with the amount of wind shear that's in that region at the moment. The Indian Ocean is more or less a no-fly zone at this present time. So here's the intensity forecast. Plus 12, 60 miles an hour, 988 millibars, 20 north, 89 east. Plus 24, 50 miles an hour, 989 millibars, 22 north, 92 east. Plus 36, 45 miles an hour, 992 millibars, 23 degrees north, 94 east. Plus 48, 40 miles per hour, 996 millibars, 25 north, 87 east. Plus 72, 30 miles an hour, 1000 millibars, 29 north, 101 east. And then at plus 96 and plus 120, I have the storm that's being dissipated after its landfall in Burma. After this, there will be a few more updates leading up to Roanu's landfall in the Bangladesh and Burma region. Expect updates to be coming out around about every 12 to 24 hours. There will be rolling coverage this weekend for up until the storm's landfall. So just to reiterate, the latest update, this is update 2 on Tropical Storm Roanu as of 2100 local time, 1600 UTC. Storm's location at 18.9 degrees north, 87.0 degrees east, with winds of 60 miles per hour, making it a tropical storm on the Saffir-Simpson scale. A pressure of 985 millibars, movement northeast at 12 miles an hour. I hope you guys have enjoyed this update. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.